she slept with other guys. Meg coughed up blood as Joshua Meg first loved dig up her lascivious past. Meghan Markle dated multiple men before marrying Prince Harry last year, but what was the heartbreaking reason her college boyfriend dumped her? Meghan met Steve Lepore in her first year at Northwestern University. He was a 6'5" basketball star from Ohio who raised her stock with her sorority sisters. According to royal biographer Andrew Morton, a former classmate said they were quite the pair. In his 2018 book Meghan, A Hollywood Princesses, Mr. Morton wrote, her first boyfriend, at university, was Steve Lepore, a chiseled, white, 6'5" sophomore basketball player from Ohio. He made Meghan at 5'6" feel petite. Her association with Lepore raised her stock with her Kappa Kappa Gamma sorority sisters, who were impressed that she had snared such a hottie. Their romance was to be short-lived, however. He has previously declined to talk about Meghan, with his wife Carrie telling Weekend magazine, "I don't know why, but he won't." The royal bride-to-be has dated men from all sorts of backgrounds, from a TV actor to a business tycoon. According to a friend, Meghan used to be an avid follower of The Rules, a dating self-help book published in the 90s. Meghan used to quote The Rules all the time and really put it into practice with a number of her boyfriends, she told the source. Rules from the book include never approaching a man, never suggesting a date, and no more than casual kissing on a first date, and not rushing into sex. The former Suits actress is said to have used the handbook while dating her most famous ex, former husband Trevor Engelson, as well as other past boyfriends. Here, we take a look at the ones Meghan charmed before she met the one. Meghan is believed to have dated comedy writer Sean Zarkin for 6 months in 2003. The pair met as students at Northwestern University in Chicago, embarking on a romance the year Meghan graduated. After leaving college, Meghan is said to have dated TV actor Brett Ryland for 5 months. Brett, who lives in LA, starred in television shows Mother's Little Helpers and South of Nowhere. He later became a staff writer on Two Broke Girls, as well as working as a writer on the Disney Channel. Meghan is believed to have gone on a date with actor Simon Rex, who starred as George in the Scary Movies. The actor guest starred with Meghan in the same episode of the TV series Cuts in 2005, where the pair first met. Simon has continued to have a successful career, and is known for his rap alter ego Dirt Nasty. He is also due to appear in Avengers of Justice, Fast Wars later this year. In 2002, during her final year at college, Meghan reportedly dated an unnamed Argentinian businessman while working as an intern at the U.S. Embassy in Buenos Aires. A source told The Sun, he was a successful businessman and it was a case of, "I will send a car for you, be ready." Meghan is believed to have only gone on one date with the businessman, but had found it exciting, according to The Insider. Meghan is also said to have dated an unnamed wealthy student for 9 months while at Northwestern University. The former actress is said to have been very much in love with her college sweetheart, but broke things off after going to Argentina. The student's family are said to have been well-off diplomats. Meghan was moving into a new world from LA, and being able to land a guy who was already settled and popular was important for her. She was very proud of having landed this handsome guy and happy to share photos of him.